What if you could start making money from your YouTube channel before hitting 1,000 subscribers or even getting monetized? Is it really possible to earn income early on? The answer is yes. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how I'm planning to generate revenue from my faceless YouTube channel, even before I get the ad revenue. I'll walk you through the steps I'm taking now to set up income streams that will grow as my channel grows. Let's dive into how I'm setting the foundation for long-term success. Why I'm not waiting to get paid. Starting a YouTube channel can feel like a huge uphill battle, especially when it comes to monetization. With the YouTube Partner Program, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours before you can apply for ad revenue. And even once you reach these thresholds, it's not like the money will start rolling in immediately. In many cases, new creators can go months or even years before their ad revenue is substantial enough to make a difference. This is why I'm choosing not to wait for monetization to start generating income. Instead, I'm focusing on building my income streams right from the start, with a strategy that's not dependent on reaching that elusive 1,000 subscriber and 4,000 watch hour milestone. By tapping into affiliate marketing, sponsorships, and other income streams, I can begin making money long before I reach the YouTube Partner Program. This not only helps me earn early, but also provides a more sustainable foundation for my channel as it grows. I'm not just relying on one method to make money. Affiliate marketing, for instance, allows me to recommend products and services that I genuinely believe in, earning commissions each time someone uses my referral link. As my channel grows, these income streams will only become more effective and will compound as I gain more traction. Why wait for monetization to start earning when I can create multiple revenue paths from day one? This approach allows me to start building real momentum and ensures that I don't put all my eggs in one basket. My monetization strategy: no fluff, no waiting. When building a YouTube channel, there are a number of ways you can start earning money long before you hit the 1,000 subscriber mark. My strategy revolves around setting up income streams that work passively in the background, allowing me to focus on creating great content while still earning money. The first and most important income stream I'm focusing on is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a powerful way to earn money by recommending products, services, or platforms that you genuinely use and trust. It works by sharing a unique referral link that tracks when someone makes a purchase or takes action based on your recommendation. The best part about affiliate marketing is that it doesn't require a huge following to be effective. In fact, many affiliate programs will work even with a small but engaged audience. I'm focusing on tools and services that I already use, such as Fiverr, to promote in my video descriptions and pinned comments. Fiverr, for example, offers commissions of anywhere from £10 to £40 per referral. And since it's a well-known platform with a solid reputation, the chances of conversion are higher. Another key income stream is YouTube ad revenue, which will kick in once I hit the YouTube Partner Program requirements. While ad revenue isn't likely to be significant early on, it's still a great supplementary income stream once I'm eligible. The best part about focusing on affiliate marketing and ads is that they work in tandem. I can earn from both while still building my channel. In addition to affiliate marketing and YouTube ads, I'm also considering sponsorships and freelance services as backup income paths. Although sponsorships might seem far off, micro sponsorships are a great option once I build some trust and momentum in my niche. I'll only work with brands that I truly believe in, but once I'm established, I'll begin exploring partnerships with relevant companies. Finally, freelance services offer another way to monetize my skills. By showcasing my ability to create content, I can offer services like video scripting, planning, and editing to others looking to do the same. My long-term income timeline. While the early stages of a YouTube channel may feel slow, having a clear timeline and roadmap for income growth can provide motivation and help you stay focused on your goals. My income timeline spans across several phases, each with its own specific goals and milestones, so I know exactly where I'm headed and what to expect. Phase 1. Getting traction. Months 1 to 3. In the first 3 months, I aim to make anywhere from £100 to £300 per month by focusing primarily on affiliate marketing. My strategy will revolve around Fiverr referrals, promoting helpful content and including affiliate links in my descriptions and pinned comments. During this phase, I'll reinvest all of my earnings back into the channel, using it to improve video quality, thumbnails, and other aspects of production. This allows me to enhance my content and attract more viewers while maintaining a budget-friendly approach. Phase 2. Initial monetization, months 3 to 6. By months 3 to 6, I'll focus on reaching 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours to unlock YouTube ad revenue. This phase is critical because once I hit those goals, I'll start seeing a more steady income from ads. My target is to make £500 to £1,000 per month from a combination of ad revenue and affiliate links. To reach this goal, I'll optimize video titles, thumbnails, and hooks to increase clicks and engagement. I'll also double down on content that resonates with my audience to attract more views. Phase 3. Momentum phase, months 6 to 12. After the first 6 months, I anticipate that my income will grow to £1,500 to £3,000 per month, with multiple income streams working in sync. This includes affiliate marketing, YouTube ads, and potentially even sponsorships. With a consistent upload schedule and a better understanding of what works on my channel, I expect to gain more traction and continue expanding my audience. During this phase, I'll focus on refining my content and strategies for growth, such as experimenting with different video lengths and topics. Year 2. Stability and growth. By the second year, my goal is to earn £4,000 to £6,000 per month consistently. This will come from a combination of high-quality content, regular uploads, and more established income streams. I'll continue growing my audience, testing new strategies, and making sure that I remain aligned with my niche. This is when I'll start exploring deeper strategies, like creating longer videos or targeting higher RPM topics to increase ad revenue and further expand my reach. The 33 video rule and the importance of consistency. Here's a truth most beginners don't want to hear. Your first few videos probably won't get many views. You might spend hours planning, scripting, recording, and editing, only to get 20 views and maybe a single comment from a friend. But this isn't a failure. It's part of the process. There's a simple rule I remind myself of constantly, the 33 video rule. This idea comes from successful YouTubers like Matt Parr, who built multiple faceless channels. He says most real progress begins after you've uploaded at least 33 videos. That's not a magic number. It's a mindset shift. By the time you've made 33 videos, you've learned what works, what doesn't, and how to improve. You've built habits. You've shown that you're in this for the long haul. Think about it. 33 videos give you 33 chances to test different titles, thumbnails, topics, and scripts. You get real data on what grabs attention, what gets skipped, and where viewers drop off. That's powerful, because once you see those patterns, you can double down on what works and drop what doesn't. Most people quit long before video 33. They feel discouraged, especially if the growth is slow. But quitting early means giving up before the algorithm even understands your channel. YouTube rewards consistency. The more you upload, the more data it has to recommend your content to the right people. That's why I treat every upload like a stepping stone, not a final result. I don't obsess over early numbers. I focus on the long-term vision, building a library of helpful content, improving my skills, and letting the strategy compound over time. So if you're starting your own faceless channel, here's my advice. Commit to making 33 videos, no matter what. Treat those first uploads as your training ground. Stay consistent, stay patient, and give the system time to work. Because if you can get through those first 33 uploads with persistence, what comes after can truly change your life. Wrap up an honest teaser for video 5. Now you've seen exactly how I'm planning to make money from my faceless YouTube channel, even before I qualify for monetization. I'm not waiting around for YouTube to approve me or hoping for some overnight success. Instead, I've built a system from day one. A system that includes affiliate marketing, long-term content planning, and income streams that grow with my channel. This isn't about hype, it's about strategy. Affiliate marketing is already active for me, and it doesn't require a large audience to get started. All it takes is offering real value and being honest about the tools and platforms I personally use. With every video, I leave links in the description and pinned comment. That alone can start earning money right away, even with low views. Then, once I reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, YouTube ads will add a new stream of income. Later on, as I build trust and consistency, sponsorships and freelance offers will naturally follow. The most important thing I've learned? You have to act like a business owner from the start. Waiting for YouTube to pay you is like opening a store and refusing to sell anything until you've had 1,000 customers. It makes no sense. That's why I've taken action from video 1. And this is just the beginning. In the next video, I'll show you the exact process I'm using to set up my affiliate links to make my first £100. It's simple, beginner-friendly, and best of all, you can copy it even if you have zero experience or subscribers. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss what's coming next. We're building something real here, one smart step at a time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.